Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get or earn gold on Marvel Snap application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and download the application if you don't have it on your phone, of course. Of course, you can do that through a Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you should actually just go and open the application, then log in into your account. But let's say as an example, you don't have an account, so all you need to do, just go and sign in into or create an account, and of course you will be able to do that even with a Gmail if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So of course, if you even want to play like the game on your PC like I'm doing right now, of course you'll have the option to do that. Just go and watch one of our videos in this channel and you will see how you can do that actually. So let me just go here and open my Marvel Snap game, as you should of course if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So let's just go back to the idea of the video, which is how to get more gold for free, of course. So gold acts as a premium currency within Marvel Snap and has a number of uses, from pulsation, cards, variants or credit, as well as refreshing daily challenges. But how can you get your gold supplies high? Of course, the first like option, which is the season pass reward. So of course, if we just go here and click at the season pass, so here of course if you buy this season pass and you like keep or not, and you will not even need to buy it. So as you can see here, or as you can read, it's free. When you pass it, you will get gold, as you can see here, and if you scroll down like more, you will get more gold. So as you can see here, and you will get more gold, like how much, it depends on how much like you finished from it past. So the second option is the weekly challenges. Weekly challenges actually give you a lot of gold as well. And I guess the last option, which is I maybe everybody knows, which is the ranked reward. So of course, if you are a tryharder and you play ranked so much and you're good at it, so of course you will get golds as rewards on the Marvel Snap. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.